We, on the behalf of TSF, we are joined by our TSF Central Committee President, Mr. Bishu Kumar Debarma, our Advisor Chairman, Upendra Debarma, and our Advisor, Biswajit Koloy, and our Advisor, TSF, Sunil Debarma, former General Secretary, and our Central Committee members. Well, as we knew, before the election, we have supported the Tipra Matha during the elections, and we have been working with Maharaj over 15 years back. We worked together, our senior leaders worked together for the betterment of the indigenous community. Today we have accepted the Greater Tipra land and for the cause for the indigenous community. We are ready to work in any kinds of work, in movement. So we have accepted and will support the Tipra Matha and Maharaja. So at this juncture now, I would like to give our time to our advisor to brief the media.
Good morning, media friends of Agartala. Well, as you know, the General Secretary of TSF have highlighted our issue of being here together with you. Now, as you all know, TSF first was created in the year 1968. So since then, the first leader, Sukhmoy Debarma and Nagendra Jamatia, the TSF have been doing a lot and is still doing for the welfare of the indigenous people, especially the tribal people as a whole. Now, since then, their aim and objectives have been partly fulfilled, and the TSF, the organization, have always been looking for the welfare of the indigenous people. Now, on that case, TSF, now in the past days, TSF's aim and ideology was to look for the betterment of the indigenous people, and TSF also in its own constitution says that TSF can support or withdraw their support to any political party, may it be regional, may it be national, but on the interests of the indigenous people. Now here, even in our earlier days, our seniors, they have been working with the indigenous political, regional political party. And now, this time also, since the last election and even when Bubagra was in the Congress, we have worked with Maharaja for a very long time. And in fact, today we would be happy to declare once again officially that we will be, the TSF will be on a move for the fight of the Greater Tipra Land movement. And we shall be supporting Bubagra and the indigenous cause in the state and as well as outside the state. And that's it. Supplement Kajita?